Hello, kids. Welcome to Animals and Sounds. Let's learn together. This is a dog. D for dog. A dog says, woof, woof. This is a cat. C for cat. A cat says, meow, meow. This is a cow. C for cow. A cow says, moo, moo. This is an elephant. E for elephant. An elephant says, Pawoo. This is a lion. L for lion. A lion says, roar. This is a hen. H for hen. A hen says, cluck, cluck. This is a horse. H for horse. A horse says, neigh. This is a frog. F for frog. A frog says, Ribbit, Ribbit. This is a sheep. S for sheep. A sheep says, baa, baa. This is a goat. G for goat. A goat says, ma, ma. Great job, kids. See you next time. Bye-bye.